Question 26. A student drifting down Singapore River, assumed to be straight with a current of 0.75 meter per second, falls off from his raft. He grabs a piling of Coleman bridge beside him and holds on for 40 seconds. He then swims after the raft with a speed relative to the water of 0.95 meter per second. The distance of the raft downstream from the bridge when the student catches it is which of the following? While the student remains stationary for 40 seconds, the raft continues drifting at the speed of the current, which is 0.75 meter per second. Thus, the distance between the student and the raft just before he or she starts swimming is 0.75 meter per second times 40 seconds, and we get 30 meter. After he or she starts swimming, the velocity of the student relative to the raft is given to be 0.95 meter per second. That means, in the reference frame of the swimmer, he or she is swimming at a speed of 0.95 meter per second and approaching a stationary raft which is 40 meter away. Thus, the time to reach the raft is just 30 meter over 0.95 meter per second, and we get 31.6 seconds. Since the question asks what is the distance of raft from the bridge when the student reaches the raft, it is good that we have an observer on the bridge. In the reference frame of the observer, the raft is drifting at a speed of 0.75 meter per second, while the student is chasing the raft at a speed of 0.75 plus 0.95 meter per second, which is 1.7 meter per second. The time of reaching the raft is the same in both reference frames, since the correction due to relativity is negligible when the velocity is low. So the distance of raft from the bridge is 1.7 times 31.6 seconds, and we get 55 meter, and so the correct answer is then A.